Hi boys and girls. We're going to talk about subtraction with regrouping this time. We talked about adding with regrouping. Remember, we call it regrouping or carrying or renaming. We're going to do the same thing with subtraction. And this is a brand new skill. I hope we've had time to go over it a few minutes today in class, but just in case we're out for snow, here's this brand new skill. If I want to subtract from 73, and I'm going to subtract, let's say 38. If I cover this up and we look at this as a regular subtraction problem, I don't have enough on top. If there's more on the floor, we have to do something special. So the 8 is on the floor. The 8 is sitting on our equal bar. That's the floor. So we're going to have to do something special. If there's more on the floor, we have to go next door. We're not going to change anything about this number on the bottom. But on the top, we're going to rename and we're going to regroup. We're going to take this 7, and remember it's in tens place, and we're going to take a whole 10 away from it. If I have 7 tens up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I'm going to take one of those tens away, and I'm going to make it into ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I already had 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take that one away. It's going to come over here, and I'm going to show that by marking this out. I'm going to make it a 6, so I took 1 away. And I'm going to put that 1 I took away right here. I took away 1 10. I broke it up and put it over here as ones. 13 minus 8 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. Let's look at it another way. Let's say we have 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3 ones. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to subtract 38. 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you have 3, you can't give someone else 8. We have to find a new way to do this. So this is the same as saying if there's more on the floor, but you might like saying, we have to go into Mom's pocket. We have to go to Mom's pocket, but the only thing we can take from Mom's pocket is a 10. We're going to pretend we're at Walmart, and we've got 3 $1 bills, but what we want to have cost $8. We're going to take a 10 out of Mom's pocket. And we're going to take that 10 out of Mom's pocket and we're going to put it in our pocket. Our pocket only gets to have ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mom's pocket only gets to have tens. Your pocket only gets to have ones. Now we can subtract. 13 minus 8. Alright, if I match, how many do I have left? 13 minus 8 is 5. Let's see if we can prove that. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are left. Mom's pocket has 6 in it now, remember. Let's see how many are left here. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. I don't count the one that I marked out. That was the one I took out of Mom's pocket. So 7 minus 3 usually would be 4, but we have made this into 6 minus 3 is 3. It's a little bit harder than adding with regrouping, but it's really just the very same thing backwards. Let's do one more set. Moms and dads, you probably have different ways that you remember doing this and different tricks that you remember. Share those with your child. We don't have to teach the same way. There are several different ways to find the right answer. Let's just make sure we all show our work. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do 42 minus, let's do minus 9. Let's prove this one in our head before we start. 9 is almost what? We know it's almost 10. 42 minus 10, okay, I heard you saying it. 42 minus 10 is 32. So 42 minus 9 we know is going to be 33. Let's see if we can prove that. There's more on the floor, so I have to go next door. That makes this 4 into a 3. I'm going to take that 10 and put it here. 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 minus nothing is 3. 42 minus 9 is 33. We already knew that was our answer. We just needed to prove it. Let's show another one. And this time let's go back to Mom's pocket. Remember, it's the very same thing. It's just two different ways to talk about the same thing. Let's say we have 23 minus 4. 23 minus 4. Let's cover this up first. You have $3 in your pocket. What you want to buy at Kroger costs 4. You don't have enough. So you have to go to Mom's pocket. What does Mom's pocket have in it? Only $10 bills. So we're going to come over to Mom's pocket, and she has 2 $10 bills. So she can share. We're going to take one $10 bill out of Mom's pocket, and we're going to give that $10 bill to you. Now you have $13 in your pocket. 13 minus 4 leaves what? 9. Very good. Two different ways to do the same thing. 1 minus nothing. Remember, it's the same as 0. It's just not there. 1 minus nothing leaves 1. So 23 minus 4 is 19. Does it add up to the same? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 minus 4 equals 19. 19 plus 4 equals 23. That's the end of these 2 practice lessons for the week of January 24th.